We're gonna start this spooky project with a large brush and yellow paint. We'll paint a circle in the upper right side of the artwork. You can dip your brush in orange and paint a round yellow circle. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow and blend yellow and orange. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint and cover the rest of the white area of the artwork. You can leave a little bit of white space on the bottom of the artwork. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in orange and blend red and orange. After wiping your brush, you can use more orange or yellow paint to work on transition between orange and red. Next, you can grab your medium-sized brush and dip it in black paint. We'll paint a horizon line by creating a hill on the right side of the artwork. Next, you can paint everything below this outline. We'll paint a tree on the left side of our artwork. Our tree will be slightly thicker on the bottom and thinner on top. After painting an outline, you can paint everything to the left of it. Next, we'll paint one horizontal branch from the middle of the tree. We'll add another branch above the first one. We'll switch to a small brush and we'll keep using black paint. We'll start painting a house by adding a rectangular shape on top of the hill. We'll add a taller rectangle on the right. Now you can add a triangle roof to the left side of the house. We'll add a flat roof to the right side of the house. We'll paint a square with a triangle roof on top. We'll paint a window by creating an outline first. Then you can add lines connecting top and bottom and one side to another side of the window. Using black paint, you can paint in roof and area around the window. We'll paint a round window on smallest part of the house. Next, you can paint around the window and paint in the roof. You can create another window same way as we did before. We'll add another square on the right side of the house, and then we'll paint a triangle roof on top. We'll create another window and then we'll paint in the rest. We'll paint two lines on the left side of the house. The one above will be shorter than the one below. After connecting them, you can paint in space between two lines. We'll paint a straight vertical line on the left and then one horizontal line in the middle. From here, we'll add couple more short lines. We'll paint a chimney with triangle on top. Next, we'll paint an owl by creating a circle above the first branch. Next, you can paint it in. We'll paint a black circle above it. We'll add couple small brush strokes on left and right side of the head. We'll create wings by adding couple brush strokes on both sides. Next, you can paint couple feathers below the branch. We'll keep using small brush to add more branches. Next, we'll paint a bat. We'll start by creating a small circle in the sky. We'll add two curved lines on both sides. We'll paint arches next to each other to create bottom part of the wing. Next, you can paint in both wings. We'll add two small ears. Next, you can paint grass on the right side of the tree. After washing and wiping your brush, we'll switch to yellow paint. We'll create many pairs of eyes on top of the black background. We'll paint two round eyes for an owl. We'll create a yellow outline and the middle will stay black. We'll paint a small yellow beak and fingers on the branch. We'll add two yellow eyes for a bat. You can add second layer of yellow if the paint is too transparent. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint and add a line or a dot in each eye. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.